Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the hub nut in your GE washer, you will need an impact driver with socket adapter or ratchet with extension, a 33mm deep well socket, a 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter, a hex drive 1/4 inch socket adapter, a hex drive 3/8 socket adapter, an 11mm socket, and a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the fabric softener dispenser. For the next step, the auger and base have been taken out of the appliance for better visual. Align the raised bump with the opening on the auger. Use the screwdriver to puncture through the inner shaft of the auger. Then twist clockwise until the auger releases and lift it out. This will be difficult. Be sure to hold the basket from rotating. Unthread the 11mm bolt. Lift out the base. Unthread the 33mm nut clockwise. This will be difficult. To install the new hub nut, thread the 33mm nut going counterclockwise. Align the base with the spline shaft and set it into the appliance. Rethread the 11mm bolt to secure. Set the auger over the tabs and twist counterclockwise to lock it in place. Align the dispenser to the grooves of the auger and press firmly to secure in place. And your washer should be ready for use.